Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about 9 steps to a more secure cloud server. The cloud has transformed the way businesses store, manage and access data and applications. A strong access control. Access control is the foundation of the server security. Implement is stringent measures to control who can access your server and what they can do once they have access. Key considerations include multi-factor authentication, enforce MFA for accessing your server. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring user to provide multiple form of verifications. Role-based action control. Define roles with a specific permission, ensuring that users have the minimum access required to perform their tasks. Regular user account review. Regularly review and update your user account to remove those that are no longer necessary. Data encryption. Data encryption is a critical aspect of cyber security. It ensures that your data remains confidential even unauthorized access occur. Two primary encryption types to consider: data at rest. Encrypt data stored on the server disk or in the database. Prevent data exposure if the physical storage media is compromised. Data in rest. Encrypt data transmitted between your server and client using protocols like SSL and TLS. This safeguards data from ever dropping during terminations. Patch management. Regularly updating your server operating system application software is essential. Security patches and updates often contain fixed or known vulnerabilities. Develop a patch management strategy to stay up to date with latest security updates. Firewall and network security. Implement a firewall filter to incoming and outgoing network. Configure it to only allow necessary ports and services. In addition to employ intrusion detection prevention system to monitor network traffic for suspicious activity and response to potential threat. Regularly review network security configuration and adjust rule to address evolving threats usage patterns. Logging and monitoring. Maintaining comprehensive logs of servers activities vital for identifying and responding to security incidents. Key consideration include set up auditing and monitoring tool to track user activity, system change and potential security breaches. Establish alerting mechanism to notify you to unusual activity or security events in the real time. Backup and restore recovery. Regularly backup your server data and configuration settings in the event of data loss, corruption or security incidents. You can quickly restore your server to its last known good state. Implement an effective disaster recovery plan to ensure business continuity. Vulnerability scanning and penetration testing. Conduct regularly vulnerability scan to identify potential weakness in your server configuration and application. Penetration testing, on the other hand, simulates real-world attacks to assess your server security posture. Use the result to patch and improve security. So that's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you to understand the topic. If you have any questions about the topic, please leave a comment below. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you again. Bye bye everyone.